This 2025 Forest River Salem Grand Villa 42 FLDL is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Cibolo, Texas, 78108 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, San Antonio. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features a ECLIPSE interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bunkhouse, front living area, kitchen island, loft, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.